Hello friends, the topic of today's lecture is job design. Job design is a core function of human resource management and it is related to the specification of contents, methods and relationship of jobs in order to satisfy technological and organizational requirements as well as the social and personal requirements of the job holder or the employee. Job design is a systematic process of organizing work into the task required to perform a specific job. It defines the contents and the way the tasks are combined to complete a job. Job design integrates the task, function and relationship in order to achieve certain organizational objectives. Job design is the process of deciding the contents of the job, deciding methods and processes to carry out the job, making optimized use of job work time so that job or work time should not be wasted, as time is money and time cannot be earned but can be saved by making efficient use of it. Avoiding manual tasks if can be handled by machines or automated. Synchronization of work and no conflict with other jobs. Deciding the relationship which exists in the organization. Job design gives framework to job analysis as it tries to figure out what qualities, skills and other requirements are needed to perform the given job by a job holder. Steps in job design are as follows. Specification of task. This is the first step of job design under which the individual task is specified. It means different tasks to be included in a job are categorized and specified. Combination of tasks. After specifying the individual tasks to be included in a job, they are combined into a group and assigned to individual employee or group for performance. Specification of method. Under this step, different methods of performance of each task are identified and determined. Techniques or methods of job design. There are various methods in which job design can be carried out. These methods help to analyze the job, to design the contents of the job, and to decide how the job must be carried out. And these methods are as follows: job simplification, job rotation, job enrichment and job enlargement. Job simplification. Job simplification means breaking the job into relatively easier subparts with the intention to enhance the individual's productivity by minimizing the physical and mental efforts required to perform a complex job. Once the complex task is divided into the relatively easier task, each task is assigned to the individual who perform these over and over again. By doing the same things over again and again, the employees gain proficiencies in the jobs assigned to them, and as a result, the profitability and productivity of the organization increases. Job rotation. Job rotation is the management technique in which an employee is shifted from one job role to the other with the purpose of familiarizing him with all the verticals of an organization. Generally, the management trainees who are fresher in the organizations are shifted to different job positions to make them understand the functions of business more precisely. The purpose of a job rotation is to reduce the monotony of work and letting an employee to acquire multi-skills required for performing different tasks in the organization. Job enrichment. Job enrichment is the job design technique used to increase the satisfaction among the employees by delegating higher authority and responsibility to them, and thereby enabling them to use their abilities to the fullest. Job enrichment is the opportunity given to the employees to explore their abilities when some tough task is assigned to them. It is the vertical restructuring of job in which more authority, autonomy, and control is given to the employees to perform a given set of a job. Thus, job enrichment is characterized by different range of tasks and challenges having varying levels of difficulties. Job enlargement. Job enlargement refers to the horizontal expansion of jobs, wherein more and more activities and tasks are added to the existing job scope at the same level in the organization. Job enlargement means increasing the scope of duties and responsibilities of an individual by adding the related activities to his existing job profile, and generally without any change in his authority and his level in the hierarchy in the organization. The purpose behind the job enlargement is to increase the employee flexibility and reduce the monotony that occurs gradually over a period of time.